Hey folks, so I'm interrupting my weekly uploads to take a break. The holidays are here and breaks are important, especially for managing your mental health. All work and no play makes Ross a boring boy, but our mental health is as important, if not the most important part of our health. Obviously, it'll depend on the individual, but I find managing my mental health to be the most important part of my health. And I hope everyone has a very happy holidays, a prosperous new year. But we're also going through a very challenging time. And if people are feeling like they're struggling with their mental health, a great service is BetterHelp. It has been invaluable for me, especially during the lows of the pandemic when you can be isolated and you feel like you're going alone, suffering alone, and that doesn't have to be the case. I know mental health is a luxury, so not everybody can afford it, but if you can, I would highly recommend it. And at the very least, if you are struggling, reach out to somebody and share the challenges you're going through. You don't have to suffer in silence. Don't be a hero and manage your mental health first and foremost to perform physically as your foundation for health is your mental health, as I see it. So January is coming up, and a lot of people are going to be trying to improve their health, make progress. So I have spaces opening up for online coaching, so nutritional and exercise coaching, and I'll meet you where you're at. I'll start with whatever level of ability, resources you have available, and we'll progress from there. We'll progress at your own rate, and we start with a free consultation to figure out where you're at and if we'll be a good fit for working together. So if you are interested in improving your health in the new year, click the link below, get started, and let's start making progress and improving your health.